wonderful day here at San Roque, Quicharao, Agusan del Norte. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be taking you with me as we check the progress of Balay San Roque. So for those of you who doesn't know, Balay San Roque is the upcoming restaurant that will be launching here in San Roque, Quicharao, Agusan del Norte. So let's go. There she is. Wow. So this video is gonna be like a construction update for this place, for this beautiful place. And yes, I'm gonna tour you around. It is starting to come together. Yan, so medyo pawis-pawis tayo ngayon. Sobrang init dito. But this is supposed to be the parang restaurant. Hindi. This is gonna be the restaurant dining area. And then sa taas is events place. Yes. The view here is really, really nice. It's like you'll have a view of Lake Mainit from here. Yeah. So you'll enjoy this view while you eat your food here at Balay San Roque. Yeah, so this place is really, really, really nice and super fresco. And as you can see, it's really spacious. If you happen to pass by Quicharao, Agusan del Norte, if this place already launches, please drop by. Yeah, so we are climbing up the stairs, going up the stairs. And this is gonna be the events place. Yan. So yung wood na to is mulawin, and it is guaranteed that it's gonna last the test of time. Again, it's really nice. It has a really nice wood floor. And ayan, sobrang spacious. This part is gonna be the events spot. Ayan, super spacious. And I think we are gonna put a stage over here para pag may event, swabe na. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Ayan, may ceiling na din siya paunti-unti. Ayan. Later, we are also gonna buy some stuff. And we'll be putting it here. Ayan. I think later we are gonna buy some lights already. Ayan. Who's this? Oh, this is my uncle. Ayan. This is my uncle. Oh. Charan! So I'm gonna show you around naman doon sa labas. Let's go. Wow. Shooting na ulit. Hi guys, so this is where you can take your panoramic selfies at. Ayan. Ta-da! It's really nice. Ta-da! So this is where you can take your panoramic selfies at. Ayan. So in case that you have events in here, this is the perfect spot to take photos with your family and friends. Ayan, so let's go down. Ito pala. Let's go down. I mean, ito pala yung pinaka-bathrooms dito. Ayan, so there's this area and then this area. So bathrooms siya. And then, super breathtaking talaga ng view. Ayan, oh. It's so picturesque. Hi everyone, so we are gonna go down over here. gonna go down and let's check what it looks like down here. Ayan, so I think this is supposed to be yung server's quarters. Ayan, and then, bali dito sila dun pwede mag-prepare ng food. And then, ayan. There's another bathroom right here. There's another bathroom area right here. And this one is, I think this one is for girls. And this one over here is for boys. Ayan. And then, this is the kitchen. Tcharam! Yes, so, ayan, ito na po yung itsura. Ayun. So for this one, it used to be na hanggang dito lang siya. Hanggang dito lang siya and ito yung pinaka-wall. But my mother figured na parang sobrang liit ng kitchen. And that's why we expanded it to this part of the land. And then, ito yung magiging, dito lalabas yung ating orders. Ayan, ito yan. And order na po kayo. This is the restaurant ulit. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-restaurant part ng Balay San Roque. Ayan, dito yung orders. Hello, I'm gonna order. Char, hindi. Diyan lalabas yung pinaka-food. So for this one, dito daw yung pinaka-magiging order counter. Ayan. So it's gonna be over here. Ayan. Ayan, so nakita na natin yung pets for today. So, nakita na natin si Milan tsaka si Baker. Ayan, so mag-aano na ako ng vitamins nila. Yes. Inumin na natin. Heels. Heels. Ay! Oh. Ayun, so I cannot find Yeti and Hap and our other cats, but I managed to give medicine to Baker and Milan. Ayan. So right now, my next step is I'm gonna be working na. So I'm gonna be fixing our frequently asked questions document, and then after that, I will start recording na. And by the afternoon, we'll be going to one of our staycation places para maplano na namin yung shoot namin ni Jolo. And yes, Scotty is over here. Tcharan! Pinalabas muna namin si Scotty so he can call of nature. Ayan, but right now, he's being a little bit clingy. Ayan, and that is his friends, Roque and Tony. Ayan. Hi! Hi, Roque! Ay, Waka. Si Waka pala to. I always confuse them. Let's get back to work! so it's me again, and I'm done with my first batch of work and had a little catch up with my tita. So for today, I'm gonna be recording na yung sinasabi ko na videos na mapapanood ng mga new onboarded team members. Yes, so let's go! Gusto ko lang din pala i-share yung pinaka-ano natin dito, pinaka-system. I-tour ko din kayo. So, basically, it looks like this. So, meron akong ganito. Adjust light, please. Ayan, ayan. So, meron tayong team member onboarding dito. And this is for Lemery homestay. Ayan, i-tour ko na din kayo. And then, I'm gonna discuss to them kung ano yung pinaka-values natin, ano yung purpose, ano yung vision for the place. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong ganito. Ayan. And then, I also use, where's that, Vidyard sa pag-record ng videos. Ayan. So, there's me over there. And ito yung itsura ng Vidyard. Ayan. So, increase lang natin yung brightness. Ayan, naka-max na pala. Ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, we also have this FAQ. So, if you have rentals, ganyan, and you're gonna outsource, team members, it's super handy kung meron kayong ganito. Kumbaga, nandito na lahat ng FAQ and yung pinaka-templated questions ng mga guests. Ayan. So, sa amin, ito lang yan. So, Kampupot for pricing, ganyan. So, nakalatag na po siya ng ganyan. Ayun. Ayan. So, super handy siya if you have a staycation and you are gonna hire assistants na or office staff to answer inquiries from your page. Ayan. So, basically, nandyan yan. And then, meron din kaming Notion for it. Ayan. So, i-tour ko na din kayo. So, ang Notion namin ay itong Rica Operations. Ayan. So, nandito yung mga things na needed nilang ma-understand if they're already officially onboarded as team member. Ayan. Tapos, nandito yung FAQ namin. Ayan. And then, quick links, emoji library, and then yung suites and flats. And then, nandito kami yung mga bagong system updates. It's right here. Ayan. So, meron din kaming additional trainings dito. Ganyan. So, that's how it is sa aming Notion. So, sa staff namin, it's always Notion and this FAQ. Yan yung madalas talaga namin ginagamit. Ayan. So, super handy-dandy siya. Lalo na kung kung meron kayong staycation, super handy ng ganito. And then, ang maganda pa dito, dahil Google Docs file siya, if meron kang changes na gagawin dito sa ating FAQ, ayan, automatic na siyang synced sa lahat ng devices ng ating mga kasama sa office. So, yun, mas na siya, mas efficient. Ayan. So, yun yung aking run-through. So, ayan. So, i-film ko na, or mag-film na ako ng mga training videos namin. Okay? So, let's go! Ayan. Hello guys, so I am basically done with my work this morning. Excuse the bed. I have already filmed the videos for our upcoming team members and I want to show it to you. Yeah, so I am actually in my brother's bedroom and my brother is already in Manila, so I can use his bedroom. And I also don't want to film these things in the office kasi gosh, medyo shy type ako. Ayaw mag-focus nung camera doon sa pinaka-screen ng laptop ko. So basically, meron tayong training day 1 and then under it is a video link para doon sa pinaka-training niya. And then after that, meron tayong mga assignment. Ayan. So yung training videos is recorded siya via Vidyard. And then, yung presentation is nasa Canva. And then, yung pinaka-FAQ natin is nasa Google Docs. And then, yung pinaka-quiz is nasa Google Forms. Ayan. So, ano-ano na talaga siya. Sanga-sanga na siya. So, para pagdating ng team member ko is, ako ay mag-check na lang more or less because the video will do all the orientation and the training for me. At least this way, may ensure ko talaga na uniform and of quality yung training videos for our upcoming team members. Ayan. So, super okay siya. Super okay ng system na to. And then, meron din ditong training ng how to make booking confirmation, mga ganon. Okay? Ayun. So, basically, I am already done with my work in the morning. I also had a meeting a while ago. And then, I'll just rest muna for a bit before I get back to working ulit in the afternoon. Ayan. So, yes, this kind of really like the glimpse, a glimpse ng aking day in a life. Ayan. Hello guys! So, it's already 12 in the afternoon and I'm not really sure if matutuloy kami ng business partner ko pre-prod today, but I'll just make use of it. And for this afternoon, a task that I could do is actually call applicants para may mapapasok na kami as soon as possible dito sa office at matrain na din sila agad-agad. Yes, so I am really praying that we find the perfect or the best team member to our team. I mean, I hope that we have or we can onboard someone na super willing mag-learn and super okay siya na team member. Yes, I really hope and manifest that that person will come at the right place at the right time. I'll just be transferring my stuff from this place to the office. Actually, I'm not sure if I'll transfer. Kasi sometimes I'm not like super comfortable having phone calls over there. And yes. Ayun, so gusto ko lang din i-share na sometimes parang it's yung nangyayari sa day na to, it's kind of like a gentle nudge from God. Like parang ping, ganon, tapik ng konti na we can't really have, parang kumbaga yung nangyayari na sa atin. So, parang yung nangyayari ngayon sa day ko, like, di ba meron akong set plan in the morning and then this afternoon parang nag-iiba na yung trajectory ng day. For me, it's okay kasi at least I trust that it's the divine timing. Kumbaga yun yung parang yung mindset na I'm in the right place at the right time in the given moment. Ayun, so maganda siya. Maganda siya ma-adapt na mindset since parang mas maganda kasi kapag nililet go natin lahat ng resistance natin sa nangyayari all throughout the day. Ganyan. Kasi usually, once that you let go all the resistance, all the friction and tension, sorry, naubo ko, and tension within ourselves, parang mas doon nagfo-flow yung perfect course of events, ganon. And it's really nice na, kasi I just remember before, I really try to control everything that's happening in my life. And then, na-realize ko na most of it is against the grain of who I am and what I am meant to do, ganyan. So, parang, in the end, since parang unforeseeable circumstances, mga ganyan-ganyan, in the end, ako lang din yung nasi-stress, nape-pressure, and everything. Parang sobrang laki ng, sobrang big deal yung nilalagay ko na pressure sa aking sarili to accomplish things that I set out to do. Only finding out na then and then again na every time when that happens, and then palilipasin ko muna yung mga negative feelings, ganyan, na frustration, ganyan. So once I let those things go, na-realize ko na okay, mas okay pala siya kasi parang mas in-flow ako, or yung ikigai, parang mas in flow ako sa course of events, and I noticed that it always works. I'm not sure with the grammar, pero all will always be well. Ganon. So, ayun, just a little reflection, and kumbaga, we can only plan as much as we want, pero yung pinakamangyayari talaga, parang it depends on the divine timing. And most of the time, once we let go of the resistance na ganito ganda, parang okay, parang i-let go na natin yung day hindi masusunod, for example, yung plan natin for today, ganyan, trust that it is meant to happen, ganyan. Kasi usually, yung mga ganun ko na-encounter dati, it always work out in the end. Ganun siya. Yeah, so let's get back. Let's go downstairs, and I'm gonna do a little bit of deep work ulit. Okay, let's go. Hello guys! So mukhang hindi talaga matutuloy yung meet namin ng aking business partner today since wala pa akong na-receive na update. But the good news is meron na akong nakausap na office staff that could already report to the office tomorrow. Yes, ayun. So, super excited ako and psyched to meet her. And hopefully sa Villa de Maria Homestay, ganun din ang mangyari. Ayun. So, yes. So, right now, since I'm done with looking for people to work with, I'll be recording videos na ulit for Beach House, FAQ, since super dami naming updates para sa Villa Rica Beach House. So, yes, I'm gonna be, recording it na para smooth na lang din yung training niya tomorrow. Yes, okay, see you! Hello guys! So, we have a visitor! And it's Mimil, our Siamese cat. Ooh, high jump. High jumping mama. Mimils. So, ayan. Guys, introduce ko na sa inyo si Mimil. Ayan. So, this mama's name is Milan. Milan the mama cat. So, siya yung pinaka-oldest cat sa amin. Ay, Mimil, you're greeting the camera. So, ang cute ni Mimil. Doon din lang siya nag-barge in dito sa room. And, I don't know what she's up to. Ayan. So, tingnan natin si Mimil. Yan. Mama Mimil! Mama Mimil! Oh, so pretty mama. Oh. Tingnan natin. Bango ni Mil. Hi, Mimil. You're the office cat. You're the work companion. This mama is so cute. So basically, share ko na din sa inyo. Ang dami nating storytelling today. Ayan. So si Mimil is original cat siya, given by my sister's friend. Ay, nilalambing niya yung camera. Ang cute. Ayan. Tapos, eventually naging siyang cat ng aming mom. Kasi dumating sa punto na yung mom na lang namin yung sinusunod niya, ganun. And then, ayun, she's so clingy and ayaw niya na nilalabas siya ng house. Even though nag-roam lang din naman siya dito sa loob. Ayan, so that's the Mama Mimil. So we call her Milan or Mama Mil. hello guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have comments, feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys!